I'm going to show you how to install your Amplifier Upgrade Kit. This is a Can-Am Outlander Model 1. It's going to be pretty similar for any vehicle. First step is going to be to take the speaker housing off of your vehicle and then remove the screws that hold the side cover on. Take those 4 Phillips head screws out. The inside of it is going to look something like this. Again, this is Outlander Model 1, might look slightly different on your other vehicle, but the amplifier that you're replacing is this one. That's going to be the same on all of them. Remove the screws that hold this amplifier in. That's going to use a 3/32 Allen key. So remove this and slide it out. The next step is going to be to cut out these mounts that are in here. You can just use a set of snips and get in there. Cut the edges as low as possible to the housing. You want this to be smooth. If you need to use a file after you do this, you can. But in most cases, just getting this nice and low with the snips is enough. Now that that's sanded down nice and clean, we are going to put the amp in. This is going to line up with just one of the holes that was previously used for your other amplifier. Use one of the supplied screws and mount it in that hole. It's going to be pretty obvious which hole you can use. Otherwise the amp will be sticking out the side of your housing. So line it up with the one hole that fits. Don't tighten this too much, just get it snug in there so that you can still rotate your amp a little bit. And then you're going to want to get your amp in the best position possible, such as here. You could rotate up a little bit or down a little bit like that. And then you're going to drill one hole in this spot here. On some speakers it might be this other spot over here. You just want to get one more in there so you have 2 mounting points. So you're going to use this number 22 drill bit. Mark that hole first and then drill a hole in that spot. So now that we have the amp installed, we can plug in the speaker wire to this speaker. This is your left speaker. This wire here, the one that is further away from your power, is your left speaker. So I'm going to use a little dielectric grease and then plug this in here. Next, we can put the side cover on. This goes on the same way you took it off with the 4 Phillips head screws. So you could go ahead and do that now, and then you could mount it onto your fender. The booster that comes with it, this doesn't fit inside this particular housing. Some of the other speaker kits, this will fit inside the housing. So what you're going to want to do is run this wire right through your fender and then mount this right on the inside of your fender. This is very durable, so don't worry about any dirt or anything hitting it. So this will get mounted right on the inside of your ATV fender. The next step would be this little adapter that comes with your kit. This is going to plug in, again, use dielectric grease. This is going to plug in here, and then this is going to plug into your wire that runs to your right speaker. So you hook that up, and then you don't have to cut or do anything. This will plug right in. The other part that comes with your kit now is a new wire harness. So you will have to run this new wire harness to your battery, and then run it up to your kit and plug the power port into your voltage booster that you mounted underneath your fender. The 3-pin connector here plugs in to this 3-pin connector here, only one way to do that. And then this green and blue wire goes to your LEDs. So you're going to run one of these wires into here and the other one into the extension that you already have ran over to your other speaker. And that's it. You're all set, and you now have louder speakers.